Right. In this section, we are going to talk about something about the Eclipse. In Eclipse, we can create different projects. For example, if you, in Eclipse, if we want to create a Java project, what we will do? We will go to new Java project, etc. We will create. Here we can create Java JUnit test cases, etc. Okay. For if we look into any web application, we cannot do. So for that, we need to integrate a few components in the Eclipse. Okay, so let's find out. So in order to create a web application using the Java in Eclipse, we need a project. I mean, these are the templates for the project creations, right? So that for Java, I mean JE concept or web application, we need web project based template we require. So how do we create or how do we integrate those components in the Eclipse? Let's see. For that, create we are go to the help and install new software. By the way, this Eclipse version is we can see that it is a Oxygen. Okay, release 4.7.3. So in order to install, click on this install new software. Here we have this work with, we just type this Oxygen and it will check for the updates. I mean, is what and all new software or new modules required. So we can see that these many are we can incorporate here. So for us, we need this one web web XML Java EE OSGI enterprise development. So I'm opting all here, or I can deselect these things. Eclipse link is all anyway. We it will be good to have. So I'm not JPA support everything. We it will be good to have that. So I'm selected all things. JSF tag library where JST. Oh, I see. Okay, I selected all things. I need to accept this one agreement, then finish it. We can see that it is installing the software. It's 9% here. It will take a while to install this one. Let's wait. So this is the one of the way that is we can integrate after uh, we installing the Eclipse in the system. It will take a little bit time. And now it's downloaded all the components and it's required a restart now. So I'm just clicking the restart. In other, let's have a look into whether it is installed or what. See web dynamic web project. So if we go to next, we can create dynamic web project, which means the JE project we can create using um, this format. Thank you.
If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos.